Garryana is a species of oak, species of white oak in particular, that grows in a somewhat narrow band west of the Cascade Mountain Range from southern BC all the way down to northern California. Garry oak brings a pretty concentrated clove note. It doesn't have as much wood sugars as standard white American oak, so the sweetness is muted and the spice really takes over. The 9th edition of Garryana, just like all the editions that came before, is really unique and really exciting generally. I've never tasted a whiskey even close to the profile that we can achieve with our Garryana. It was honestly a pleasure to blend. I mean, I'm a huge fan of Oloroso, I'm a huge fan of Garry oak, and I was happy when they worked together. Because sometimes when you're blending, they don't always work together, but this one came together almost perfectly. And I'm excited to share it with everyone.
So this is Garryana Edition 9, and it features some wonderful bright notes from Oloroso sherry casks contrasted with the darker notes of Garryana barrels. It's got savory spice elements, brown bread notes from the malt character with a hint of spice and a little bit of charred maple on the finish. Wow, Shane, this is really good. Yeah.